That's our flycatcher.
With having wrestled so far, they haven't lost in the playoffs.
Did you get him yet? Did you get him?
So far.
Where is he? Where'd he go?
Neither of you getting points.
Where'd he go? Oh, must be in there. Just don't eat them. Did you get him? There he is. There he is. There he is. I think you got him. I think he's dead. Don't eat him. Oh, I hate when you eat them.